If you want to change your Telegram number, then this video is for you. In this video, I will guide you step-by-step process that how can we change our Telegram number in few simple steps. Also, this will be short, easy, and to the point tutorial. So just remember the channel name Haskry and make sure to watch till the end. First of all, open up your Telegram application and tap on these 3 lines here in the top left corner. Then tap on Settings. As here you can read, tap to change phone number, so we will tap on it. You can change your Telegram number here. Your account and all your cloud data, messages, media, contacts, etc. will be moved to the new number. Once understood, tap on Change Number. Here you can see the disclaimer that users will see your new number if they have it in their address book, or your privacy settings allow them to see it. You can modify this in settings. Once understood, tap on Change. Here, enter your new number and press on this arrow icon. It will send a verification code to your number, and after completing all the verification process, your Telegram number will be changed. That's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.